In this video, we will show you how to set up a PIN for your BadgePass ONE access control system. PINs can be helpful to use if your reader controller has a keypad. This will provide you with the option to input a code if there is no card available to present to the reader to unlock that door. Let's begin. Once you have signed into your BadgePass ONE account, make your way to the database drop-down menu and then go to Setup. From here, you'll be able to select credential type. In this section, you can add, edit, and delete credential types. If you want to know more information on this, please refer to our credential types video. Select the plus sign to begin adding a credential type. Here, you'll have the option to name and describe the credential type as a select format. For this format option, select PIN. Here you can choose the minimum and maximum length of the PIN. If you keep the minimum and maximum length the same, this is considered a static PIN. If the values are different, then you will have the option to use variable pins. Please note that if you use a variable PIN, you will need to enter the PIN with a star and then a £sign to make sure the reader accepts the code properly. Now you are ready to add a PIN as an option in your reader profile. Make sure that your schedule has the appropriate mode where you can use the PIN as an option to unlock your readers. Make sure you also save your settings and the reader profile is associated with the appropriate reader controller. Now that you have set up these settings in your portal, make your way to the BadgePass ONE app to assign the PIN to the right person. Once you have signed into the app, select the app category you want to view. Then search for a record in your search bar. Now you can scroll down to the Credential Manager portion of the record, and here you can add the PIN by selecting the plus sign. Here you can add the credential type and also set the PIN password you would like for that specific person. You are also able to set the activation date. Press save and add the credential to the record. Here you can also select groups to ensure that this record is associated to the correct reader profile. Here, you can select the Next button for two options. You can save the record to complete the PIN activation, or you can print their badge and activate the PIN code as well. For the best use of our reports and tracking, we recommend you issue unique PINs for each record you issue. This will allow you to increase your tracking capabilities with your BadgePass ONE system. Congratulations, you have successfully added a PIN and activated it to a record on your BadgePass ONE system. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us. We are more than happy to help.